In a big development in the shocking case of a massive cash haul at the residence of a Delhi High Court judge, Justice Yashwant Verma, the Chief Justice of India, Justice Sanjeev Khanna, has now constituted a three-member probe panel to look into the allegations against Justice Yashwant Verma. The panel, comprising the Chief Justices of Punjab and Haryana High Court, Himachal High Court and the Karnataka High Court, will probe the charges against Justice Verma. CJI's decision, remember, comes after going through the report of the Delhi Chief Justice and response from Justice Yashwant himself. In the statement, the Justice claims that there were no burnt cash remains shown to either his house staff or his family members and that there was no cash in the storeroom. But the video of the burnt cash has now been made public. There were allegedly 15 crores of cash that was found at the residence of Justice Yashwant Verma. He had previously denied the allegations, saying that no cash remains were shown to his house staff or his family, among other statements. Then the Delhi High Court Chief Justice showed Justice Yashwant the pictures of the burnt cash, after which he claimed that there was a conspiracy against him. The Chief Justice of the High Court of Delhi, for the time being, has been asked not to assign any judicial work to Justice Verma. The case has seen a massive demand for cleanup and accountability from within the judiciary.
यहाँ पे कितने आपको नोट मिले थे जले हुए?
20-25 नोट थे, वो जले हुए थे। वो
20-25 नोट थे।
हाँ।
मतलब 500 के थे, 2000 के थे?
500 के नोट।
500 के नोट?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
और ये किस दिन की बात है, अगर बता पाए?
ये 4-5 दिन हो गए सर।
4-5 दिन पहले मिले
जी,
थे।
हाँ जी।
तो आपको आइडिया है कि इसी मकान से आए?
नहीं सर, इतना आइडिया हम नहीं बता सकते, क्योंकि ऐसा कूड़ा तो कहीं से भी आ सकता है। कूड़ा कहीं से भी आ सकता है।
तो 20-25 ही थे?
हाँ, 20-25 नोट थे वो।
और ये कहाँ से मिले आपको?
सर इस तरफ से मिले थे, यहाँ से।
अच्छा, ये नीचे जो कूड़े हैं वहाँ से मिले थे? तो उसके बाद और मिले?
नहीं, उतने ही मिले थे बस।
उतने ही मिले
थे।
उसके बाद और नहीं?
उसके बाद नहीं मिले।
So there you go, that he has collected 500 rupee debris from the area, from the NDMC area, because see, at this particular point, this is the area where they are claiming that they have collected the burnt 500 rupee notes. Here the NDMC workers who are here, they have said that 4 to 5 days back they have collected the burnt 500 rupee note from this particular area, around 25 to 30 of them.
Yeah, unfortunately, yes, there was a deliberate attempt to hide this information, because going by the document which we have access from the Apex Court itself, which also has a statement of Justice Verma, when the Delhi High Court Chief Justice, Justice Upadhyay, spoke to him on 17th morning at around 8:30 at the guest house, he was talking about that how the furniture and other material was burned. When we spotted the location inside the house only where the remains of the burn material was kept, we could only see boxes, clothes and the furniture which was kept here. That certainly triggered a thought process in our team of reporters, me, Sabya, Sachin and Isha, to look for the remains, and we did not have to go too far to find the location. There was an NDMC truck which came after 4 days. They said that to me, obviously, that 4 days back they have found a pile of burn note from this location. So we waited for them to lift the leaf, the garbage which was kept there, and when it was lifted, we found these pieces of notes. What Justice Verma has also stated, that there was a conspiracy to malign him, but look at the manner in which you have barbed wires, fencing, and gates, all these CRPF personnel, Delhi police team, which is deployed there. So anyone who's not welcome, who is an outsider, is certainly not allowed to enter into this premises.